You think you're buying a cute, boxy car. What you're actually buying is a reputation. A fluffy, oversized, probably wearing a hoodie reputation. The Kia Soul isn't just a car, it's the unofficial vehicle of the furry fandom, whether you like it or not. You'll soon see why owning a Soul is a social nightmare that all started with some dancing hamsters. Remember those commercials? The giant hamsters and hoodies bopping their heads to club music? Kia thought it was brilliant marketing. What they actually did was permanently brand every Soul driver as someone who's really into costumes. You can't drive this car without people wondering if you have a secret fursona. You're not just going to the grocery store, you're on your way to Furry Fest 2025. Every wave from another driver feels judgmental. Now, let's talk performance. The Soul has the aerodynamics of a shoebox. Driving on the highway feels like you're constantly fighting the wind, and the wind is always winning. You hear that sound? That's not a powerful engine. It's the sound of air molecules slamming into a flat surface at 65 miles per hour. It's less whoosh and more oof. It handles corners like a washing machine on spin cycle. Inside, Kia went all in on being fun. That means you get things like speaker lights that pulse with the music. It sounds cool for about 5 seconds until you realize you're driving at night in a mobile disco getting blinded by your own stereo. It's not a premium feature. It's a distraction designed for people who think their car should double as a rave. So, is the Kia Soul a bad car? Not really. It's practical and affordable. But it's a rolling punchline. You're not buying a car, you're buying a meme. You're buying into a legacy of head-bopping hamsters, and you can never escape it.